Hey Incoming Bulldogs, my name is Macy Keisler. I'm a current first year student and Housing Street team member here at UGA, and I'm so excited to welcome you back to First Year First Look. In today's episode, we're going over the apartment style dorms on campus, so come along. So in East Campus Village, there are going to be 4 buildings that make up this residence area, and that is going to be Rooker, Busby, McWhorter, and Vandermeer. So these apartments are going to be 2, 3, or 4 bedroom apartments. These bedrooms are either private or shared, and these apartments will include a kitchenette, a living room, and either 1 or 2 bathrooms. So ECV is kind of special in the fact of they have some of their contracts for their buildings will obligate students to pay for fall, spring, and summer. So look into that before you sign anything. So for University Village East, this will be a double occupancy 1-bedroom apartment with a full kitchen, living room, and bathroom. And then the important thing to remember about both of our apartment styled options is the bathrooms are the resident's responsibility. Both have on-site laundry, are fully furnished, will be open for breaks, and open for visitation. So no matter what style you really prefer, there are so many different options that you've seen us talk about in First Year First Look. So look back if you have any questions, and as always, go Dogs!